Hi YouTubers. So this is a long-term review of SONY SA-d40 multimedia home theater system. When we started the research on such home theater systems which were under our budget and which can give a good performance, there were many systems available and many variety of more than 4 speakers, 5 speakers, 4 speakers, 3 speakers. Many systems were there. Also, there were older Sony systems, newer Sony systems, and we compared many other companies of this model. But I think so. This is the almost the best home theater system available under 10,000 Indian rupees. Now I will tell you why this is good for your budget. The cables and wires which are provided with in the box are very good quality. As you can see, the aux cable is also very good coated, powder coated, as continuous insertion and removal of the wire will not damage the wire and it will be very long lasting. In other models we saw the quality of the coating, it was not good. Just from some time insertion and removal of the wire, it was scratched. And also you can see that the adapter which is provided with the home theater system is strategically built, as this wire if gets damaged, you can replace only this wire, you don't need to replace whole adapter. So the quality of build is very good. The Bluetooth connectivity is fast, it connects very fast with your mobile or laptop, and also the range is very good. The operation is directly you operate from here, or when you operate from remote is very simple. You can see that there are only volume buttons, next, previous and next, folder buttons, play, pause, on and off, and function. So it is very simple, it is not complicated, and anyone can use it very easily. And also some people will say that other systems provide so many functions in remote only, but Sony has a good system, and I think so this is the advantage of this system, that all 4 speakers are controlled by woofer only. The output of all 4 speakers is perfectly controlled at any time or any volume. You will hear that equal sound is coming from all the 4 speakers. So the balancing of the sound output of the each speaker is controlled directly only, so we do not need those functions. Now coming to the question, why this model? There are mainly 3 points we considered while comparing this model to other products. First and foremost, the most important, bass. We compared it to 3 or 4 other models which we selected as an option to buy if we do not buy this model. The bass in this model is optimum. It is not like the woofer vibrates or moves from its place, or the speaker try to come out of the module. The bass is optimum and perfect for which it is needed for a small room or wherever you need to place the system. The other models, when we increased the bass, were performing like the speaker wanted to come out of the module, and the sound became very distorted. It was like hurting the ears. The second point is how it sounds on low, medium and high frequency or pitch volume. And I think so that some models were sounding better than this model in some typical low, medium or high, but the ones which sound in like low, the low pitch volume was good. The medium and high pitch volume were worse, very bad. So this model is optimum and balanced in all 3 types of frequency, low, medium and high. And almost all other models were bad in like high or medium or low. So this is a perfect balance of all three types of volume. So the last but not the least point, the sound quality and noise distortion at full volume. In this point, Sony far outweighs any other model in this price point, as all other models were so distorted in sound, and I thought so like speaker will burst out from its grill or something like that. Now there are 4 satellite speakers provided with this system and 1 subwoofer. As you can see, this system can be controlled by remote and from here also, on and off, on and off. And for different function, TV means when we use aux cable, this is USB point is provided here, so you can connect. If you cannot connect it with Bluetooth or aux cable, you can connect your mobile with USB. This is play, pause, next and previous, and if I press one more time function button, it goes into Bluetooth. Now the main point which you were waiting for in this video. Now it's time for some music. Now here you can hear the bass. It is not at all distorted, even if I keep it at full volume. And we are playing in a closed room, so other noises are just reflection from walls. Now in this you can hear the sounds, low, medium and high.
So friend, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel and help us to achieve 5,000 subscribers. Peace.